Hey guys, Hellraiser here, coming to you with our third installment of First World Problems, Third World Repairs. Glad to have you back with us. What are we going to do today? Well, this is what we're looking at today. It's a PlayStation 4. The original, I guess they call it the fat version. And you can see it's in good condition, but it wasn't when we first got it. Now, why am I saying that? Because I had this very nice intro already taped, already filmed. And then what happened? Well, I listened to it and found out that I had two microphones on. So there was a horrible echo, so we couldn't use it. So when you see at the beginning of the next segment, you'll see the original condition. It was not in real good condition. It had stickers all over it, but you'll see that. And then you'll see what we do to repair it. So where did I get this? Well, I got this from a seller who claimed that it had stuck disc. And you're about to see my beautiful dog walk by. Say hi, Moo Moo. And she's going to lay down right in the shot. Okay. So anyway, I got this from a seller who said that when he plugs it in and turns it on, that nothing happens. Nope, the power button's not working. The eject button makes one beep. So he also said that there was a disc stuck inside. So we're going to take it apart. We're going to figure out why it's not working. We're going to figure out what discs are inside of it. And then also at the end of this segment, I have a special view for you. I'm going to show you what's behind those windows. So let's hop right into it. First of all, you might notice all these beautiful stickers. We'll have to address that and get them off. Oh, not bad though. Case sticker, agriculture, case, very strange. Maybe a farmer owned this, who knows? But let's get this thing opened up. What we need to do first, in the back there, see it's already been opened. We have two torque screw security bits, so we'll take those out. Now with those out, we will pop this cover off on this side. There we go. Like that. Cover is off, not too dirty. Now we'll take this out. Take the hard drive apart. That's next. Let's see what hard drive we have in here. Okay, what hard drive do we have? No idea. Have to take it apart. We'll do that later. There's our hard drive. Put it over here. Okay, now we need to pop this off. This side pops off. Right. I remember correctly, we insert right under there. So let's get our plunger. There. Piece of cake. All right. Now we're going to try to make our way down. So what do we notice? Well, I already noticed a big problem here. The power button is not doing anything. So let's get this apart and see what we can see. So disassembly. Start back here. These two screws. Well, it'll help if I get the right bit. take this little piece off, underneath here, you will see a piece of metal here. Later, that's going to be very important, so keep an eye on that. Now we can remove this shield here. There we go. Now, get to this board here. So first, let's go ahead, flip her over. We're gonna take apart this side. Go. Now we're gonna pop the bottom off. There it is. Okay. Now we'll be able to get into this drive and see what games we've got. So let's see. We are going to take the top off. No, I think there's just one more. Yep, this one here, which is the security Torx bit. Oh, wait a minute, one under here. There we go. Oh, that's right. We have to take this entire thing out. Yes, yes, we do. Okay, I forgot about that. So we have to take this entire board off. So let's go ahead and do that. Take the shield off here. And that's got the two very long screws in it. Right there. Now we'll remove the power supply. I think my screwdriver is going dead. As soon as we get this apart, I'll charge it up. We'll unhook this. There we go. As you can see, it's connected right in there. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Not a lot of light today. There we go. Connected right in there, which connects down to here. Okay, we'll unhook this. Get it out of the way. Now, we'll unhook our drop. You know, I don't think we have to do that. Let's see. So let me unhook this piece right here, like this. And we'll take this off. No, unhook this one. So we just pull up on this little piece and pull that up. Okay. Now let's see what we can do. Yeah, we can see our disc in there. So let's push them out. That would be the simplest thing to do. Reach right in there. Ah, here we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's time for the reveal. And that's why it didn't work. There were two in there. That's why it was jammed and it wouldn't eject. So what do we have? The first one, Call of Duty Vanguard. Second one, Grand Theft Auto 5. Not too shabby. I would call that a bonus because that's more than $40 worth of games right there. Awesome. All right. So I think we don't have to worry about this now. So let's put this top back on. And we're going to test this out later, but we might as well put it back together because I think it was probably working fine. All right. Man, I like it when you get a bonus. That's nice. Goes back around there. Tuck it in right there. And then we plug it in right here. But since we have to take the board out to fix the power switch, let's not worry about that. So we'll go ahead and leave these unhooked. But let's put that back together. Easier to do it right after you took it apart. That way you remember where everything goes. Nice. Okay, that's back together. Now, let's see. So now we have the screws out from there. Remember that little piece? There's that little piece I told you about. So we cannot forget that. We have to put that back in. So a little bit of dust, but not much. Let's see what we're looking at here. So we need to take off our heat sink. Okay. Now, I think we can take this off. Being very careful here. There we go. All right. Unhook the fan. Now, let's see if I was correct. Here's our power button. And look, missing. Oh, can't get it to focus here. There we go. Missing. Well, not missing, just destroyed. Okay, so let's fire up our solder iron and replace that. And then we'll see about cleaning up the thermal paste. Okay, solder iron. Don't know if we're going to use heat, the hot air, or if we're going to use this micro tip, but we'll see in a second. Get my tools. I'll be right back. Okay, let's put a little flux this. See if we can get down here a little closer to the action. Let's see if we can put this where everybody can see it. Okay. Let's take the old button off. I'm using around 450 degrees. That way things falling apart. Use a little more air. There we go. Just like that, it is off. Now we're not going to use that to put it back on because it'll melt. So what we'll do is we'll add a little bit of leaded solder. Okay. And then we'll take that off. Okay, clean that up a little bit. Now we'll add a little more solder to it. Now we'll get our switch, new switch. See here, get one out. Put a little more flux on here. That helps the part to stay on the board while you're soldering it. Right, now let's tack that down. First side. And the second side. Now, let's test it. And now, no continuity here until we push the button. Okay, so we'll push the button. Okay, let the button go. There, perfect. So now that's repaired. So let's clean it real quick. We're going to clean it with some IPA. We're going to clean it with some IPA. Isopropyl alcohol, 99%. Get it nice and shiny and clean. Because we want our button to work perfectly in the future. There we go. Nice new button. Okay. So, what do we do now? Now it's time to clean off our thermal paste. Let's apply some thermal paste. And then we can put this thing back together. There we go. Now, to put it back together, what do? Well, we reverse what we did. So, first, we're going to hook back up our fan here. Everything's plugged in. All right, let's give it a test. Okay, test the eject button. Sounds good. Test the power button. Ha ha ha! Look at that. Our light is on. Right there. Nice. Very nice. Now let's put a disc in and see if it'll take it and eject it. Seems a little rough. I don't like that. Let me try that again. Yeah, that seemed a little rough. Let's see. Maybe it's just because of the way I'm putting it in. No, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Yeah, we need to look into that. Let's see what's going on there. So let's figure that out. Okay, after playing around with this thing off camera, I think I finally have it where it'll take a disc, start up, and eject the disc. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better. So let me show you. I had to do a lot more cleaning, and also I had to bend the drive. The bottom piece of metal had bent spots, and it was very difficult to get it to work properly. But let me show you. Turn it over. Okay. Oh, by the way, power button works again. And you can hear it spin up. And then it ejects a little slow, but that's fine with me. Okay, so let's put this back together. in. I'll put a hard drive screw back in. Okay. Now before we put this cover, we'll need a little piece that I said, do not lose it. And guess what I promptly did? I lost it. Let's see if we can find it. Where are you tonight? There you are. Okay, so put this piece on like so. Then this side, put this right here. How are we doing here? Good. Good. Got a new power button in and work. Right. What's left to do? Test it, huh? We could put the bottom back on. Okay, so now let's get rid of these stickers. Clean this thing up a little bit. I do not know why people like to do that. To me, it's a complete waste of stickers. Good grief. I'll put some IPA underneath this a little bit and see if we can get it to come off. That's crazy. Wow. I want to break this. That is insane. Woo. Okay. Try to do this without scratching it. See if we can get some more IPA under here. Wow. Okay, I'll say this. New Holland Agriculture makes one heck of a tag there. Good grief. Cheese and crackers. Okay. Off. That was fun. it's not perfect. But there we go. Another one saved from the junk pile. What do you guys think? Not too shabby. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, guys, that'll do it. Thanks for joining me. See you in a second. Okay, guys, time to test it. So, plugged it in. I think it's in standby mode, so let's give it a start and see what happens. And that's our disc, the Grand Theft Auto that came out of it. All right, let's check the input. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So let's... there's our Grand Theft Auto. Cool. We're not signed in, but doesn't matter. So let's put a disc in, see what happens. You can see it's reading it there. Nice. And there we go. Loading story mode. Perfect. Well, there you go, guys. We now have a nice working PS4 original. Awesome. So guys, as promised, I want to show you what's behind these curtains. I tell you all the time I live in Panama. I want to prove that I live in Panama. So I filmed a little short clip showing what is behind these curtains. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll put that in right now. So guys, as I've told you, I live here in the country of Panama. That's why it's called First World Problems, Third World Repairs. But I wanted to show you, this is the room that I work in. This is the view behind me while I'm working. This is the wonderful country of Panama. So there's a canyon right behind my house. And in the background is 13,000 feet tall Mount Peru. This is what I wake up to every morning. So just wanted to let you guys see what I get to see every day.